So we're on the first of our video series on how to use SCRAEGG. Staff at SBS will be coming up with all sorts of different ways of scragging their food for lunch, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So we have Bryant, our resident cook for the day, and Bryant's going to show us how he's going to scrag today.
Okay, we'll start with some eggs, buy from the store. Put about 100 milliliters in of the eggs. Waste not, want not. We use them all up. So about 100 milliliters. Today we're making chives, ham, tomatoes, a little bit of garlic, and some cheese. So we'll start off with a bit of ham. Straight in. Some chives. Straight in. Tomatoes, nice and fresh, and a little bit of garlic.
Well, never enough garlic.
And never enough garlic. That's our mother always used to say.
Yeah.
And
she still says it.
And a good hit of cheese. Okay, so over here, I'll put this into the SCRAEGG cup. Make sure all that goodness goes back in the cup. And to help accentuate the flavors, 1 crack of Himalayan salt. So here we're good to go. We go to our SCRAEGG. We give it a warm up. Ready to go. Straight in. And there we go.
Wow. And Ryan, let's see some other ingredients there for the fast packs.
Yeah, so to go. No prep required. Straight in the cup.
And this one here is certainly more gourmet. Oh, it smells great.
Okay, take it out of the SCRAEGG. Give it a clean out. Wipe the wand. Away we go. Take a cup.
Oh, and look, all the flavors all the way through the whole thing.
It's all there, nice and fluffy.
Wow, fantastic. Nice work, Bryant. Everybody, come by the office today and show us how you SCRAEGG.